To install the Aviator Predictor app on your phone, start by adjusting a few settings. Open the settings on your device, and in the search bar, type Install. Look for the Install Unknown Apps option under the Special Permissions section. Once there, locate your browser, e.g., Chrome, from the list and select it. Ensure that the setting to allow from this source is enabled. If it's turned off, switch it on. Confirm by acknowledging the risks, and click OK. Next, open your browser and search for Aviator Predictor App. Various links will appear, and you can choose one to proceed with the download. For instance, a link from Softonic. Click on the link, then select the Free APK Download option. You may encounter a few ads. Simply close them to reach the download page. Once you land there, click on the download button, and the file will begin downloading. After the download is complete, click Open from the browser or access it via the notification panel. Select the package installer, then click Install to proceed. Once the app is installed, you can open it and start using the Aviator Predictor app.